you get some people where you all see, where you all come around you, you all make you be like, say, man, you still get work to do on top of fashion P and some other things. But anyway, you as night for hour be, I will try. Easy.
Yeah, talk to me about.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to bring in this guy. And I want to see this particular video just now. And he's sing one very, very sweet song where they bust our head for this period. So, we go help me welcome Sexy Still in the building. Easy. Knock it. Go get Sexy Still in the building. Yes, so. How far now? Too much freshness. Too much on pointness. All right, so collect as my guest details. Okay, so Easy B, what was the witchcraft is involved? Anyway. Sexy Still, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Welcome on top of the show.
Thanks.
Now, I just see your freshness and everything. When I show Sexy on your own camera first, make everybody feel the freshness. Understand? Wow.
I leave all this on a package, you know.
Packaging. Now go talk say wait.
Check on it.
But anyway, you Sexy Still, welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
First start with the real name first.
Okay. My real names be Abe Chile Emmanuel Abuede. Abuede na my son name.
Okay.
And Abe na my English name. Then Chile na my native name. Yeah, then Emmanuel na Abe Catholic, born Catholic, and that one na my.
Okay.
You understand? So
you from what side of the country you come from?
I be from Delta now.
Delta. Yeah, I just want to
Delta
clarify the whole thing. Which side for Delta?
I be from Ebu, Oshimili, local government.
Oh.
Around that Kwale side now.
Not too far from where some boys. Why they look up like this? This is what they do like this. What they fight for the up?
You they just talk data.
Before
say we Delta
we now brethren now. They worry
be
you.
hustlers now.
Yeah, no.
They come also now.
So Sexy Still,
Yeah.
the fashion designer, the musician, the model, the barber,
actor,
the actor,
footballer.
Hey, I don't say one day whatever cause
artist, not artist. Because they are fine art. I study for school, so they do painting and they do sculpting very well too.
Okay.
Yeah, so
you know, like bunch of talent. Now you just be like this.
if I say make we include that boxer owner, if you go see me now, come dey run for me.
Oh, so boxer dey inside.
And that one I do that one professional for like 3 years.
Professional boxing. So serious.
I tell you.
This hustle.
I do.
Easy sexy hustle.
You don't understand.
Hustle.
Oh, my man must chop now. You get.
But wait,
3 years.
Man must chop now.
Sexy. The boxing, now we'll start with the boxing.
See where do the head thing.
And because I don't see what they do like this. So, but the boxing part for 4 years.
3 years.
3 years.
I'm charging professionally.
Professionally.
Yeah.
Say you go around, you go do some kind of boxing thing.
No, I be the train for National Stadium.
Okay.
Yeah, we don't do 1 or 2. Go for 1 or 2 fights and everything professionally.
Now, wow.
Yeah.
Wow. So from but which one you take start with, fair? Because if we want to read plenty now, which one that we first take start?
The one where I take starts with actually almost the same time. No, the one where I take starts with now movie.
Okay, movie
because
first.
The first movie where I feature in 1989. That the first. I'm sorry for that.
1989. What did they reason that year?
That's the first movie I feature in. That one they call that one Badger 419.
Hey.
You understand that? In 1991, I will do another one, feature for another one they call Magic Suit.
Okay.
1993, I feature for another one they call Beijing. That one I Yoruba one too. Okay. Then 1996, me I become do my own.
Your own movie?
Where they call Obstacles.
Wow.
For 1996. You get. Then after that one, I can't decide to just say make I take chill pill there, say make I enter music.
Okay.
So
from there, music on
enter. Music and fashion enter at the same time.
Okay.
But when the fashion enter, first they make things for myself.
First.
You understand? I just they apply my art skills you get for the fashion thing and all that. Just they use idea
They do the whole level.
the thing can enter.
Okay,
you
so
know, at the end of the day, enter well.
more first pause for that place because now me I try more often times because some people they watch you get many things for body like this but don't know which one to take. Say okay, you understand where I want start from. The people you get confused. Where I want start from? You just be like us now. First time we dance, we can't still do music one place.
I dey tell
Can't
you.
still lead the music. Can't still do some other running around.
Oh, na
We
job.
act. We can't still try sing again. Come finally do like make comedy. Can't do stage acting. Presenter radio. TV can't come. But now bit by bit.
Yes.
But some people just get gig. For you, you just can't decide to take them one by one. Abi na as life can't they go. Now you can't they pick all of them for front somewhere.
Well, what I go talk be say, what if first influence all these things why they do be say, while growing up, the kind home where I grew up,
Okay.
na entertainment home, na here I be
Okay.
growing up.
Okay.
Because my dad, him too be get record label that time.
Okay.
He be chairman of Abiola Football Babes.
Okay.
Abiola Babes that
Okay,
time.
okay.
Now he be chairman of Youth Sport of Federation, Youth
Okay.
Fund that year too.
So Popsi
Then
did the system already.
the system, he did the system full
Okay.
time. Then what him be they do for he can be movie producer at that time. Then they can they do some special effects for movies. Like if you remember, I don't know whether you remember Baba Salah
Live.
movie, Onumoru, all the special effects we did for
they do
there.
for
na him
there,
do am.
okay.
Then Dinner with the Devil, na him still do Miracle Budo and all
so
those
that means
movies
he
wey
dey
they
family
do that
now.
year.
He dey family
so
that
na
year.
him still do all those things, you understand? So all those things there are things that we say I just get from my popsy.
Okay,
You get
okay.
if you notice all of them these things where I mentioned, say I did do so. All now the things that we say popsy they do then. Popsy now the first marble cover for Africa and they do art to you get and they do painting and sculpting.
Okay.
If you go by Awolowo roundabout,
Yeah.
for Allen roundabout, that
Yes.
Awolowo with the statue there for them. I do the statue.
Okay.
Then if you go Ijebu, the roundabout to the Oduchola statue there for there will be bronze, full bronze.
Okay.
About 9 feet. 9 still down too. So when a person will be say
That means
you
you
so
come
the thing
from.
there for the
He dey blood.
exactly the thing there
Blood.
for the blood. The day inside blood. No be saying as something be say I just wake up for money just to
Just
say
jump on
okay
top
now
am.
waiting
All
I
based
want
on
you
hustle.
get. So to come top am up again, I can't study fine art for school. So you can make everything just easy for me.
Okay,
You get. So
okay,
everything what they always they do, I just they try apply the art skills. You get.
So for fashion now, more talk fashion now because even there's some pictures on screen and all that. But for fashion now,
Yeah.
at which point now fashion can cuckoo sit down? Where because we know say as it be like this now, say fashion or music, which one be your main? If you go say which one now your main hustle.
Oh boy. See me, I no go lie for you. I love music, die, and I love fashion too.
Okay.
And I would try to say my main hustles, not be hustles, the two go together as in the fashion and the music because as a day now, maybe before I did signed on that year's record, okay, fine, and help with matter and everything. But now we be say I do on my own. Like the fashion thing what they do, and you know, some kind of special clients will be say they get will be say,
Yeah.
you know, the support, you understand, and waiting they put into my music be that.
Okay,
You understand?
okay,
So
okay.
if I go to say my first love say na fashion because now that one first they bring the major
bar.
money, we can they push for that music. Say make it money the waka. You know, at the end of the day, we can they thank God now. Say after so many years, now they think on they be like say they get head now.
don't they
You
make
understand? Like one of my friends, my colleague for industry, they talk to a cappella. Him to say, oh, I say you never. It does say you still be upcoming until you blow.
Okay.
You understand? Even if you don't dare for the industry for 30 years, if you never blow, you still be upcoming. No?
True now. True
now.
now.
The day where you blow well, now they go.
Yes, exactly.
Now they go, you know, recognize you well. Say
Yes.
yes, you're welcome in the industry. You understand what I talk?
True.
So even though say we don't try for the music small, we don't do some kind of things or collect some kind of big awards and you know they get nominations and everything, but you know.
But at
we
least
still give glory
because
to God.
just now when we did before we bring you in, we talk about young ones that these days where they also want hustle.
Yeah.
They don't want hustle. They also want blow.
Bam.
They also want sing song, it blow. I'm
right.
popping things and I'm doing things everywhere.
they also don't be easy also like that. So the way them they think because me, see, I feel get like 50 calls a day onto them this upcoming guys. Say, Baba, I be upcoming to the single and the rap. Say this to no Baba, make us blow. Now you get. I say, boy, you know, no go understand. I they feel for upcoming artists because, one, all of them want blow at the same time. Not be everybody go blow.
Go blow.
Both the talented ones and the ones who are not they talented.
Yes.
Now two things. Music not be only that talent. You see talents where you get for music. Now only 30%. Music now 30%. Other things come follow. Like packaging and everything all together. Your total package, your looks and everything. The way you carry yourself. All those things still join. You get now all those ones be 70%. What you say you sing past Michael Jackson. Now 30%. People know they understand that one. And you need to, they try to do one thing. You need to carve niche for yourself. If you know, say, because artists within Nigeria now, and like we passed 10 million. Artists within Nigeria. They watch video now, then you go watch video, you go tired.
We say we know.
Artists we know, you just they, but everybody won't blow.
Yes.
How you want stand out? If you know carve niche for yourself, you need to do something different. Maybe say go fit captivate people attention. Like person like you go sit down for house now, they watch musical videos. You don't get tired if you see some kind. This one try sound like the band. This one try sound like Davido. This one try sound like Wizkid and all that. You go get tired now. But if you watch TV now, wake on your new sound entirely. The thing go first, draw you closer. Say, man, make I listen to this person. Make I see what this person gets. You get. So that now waiting me, I don't try build and waiting I don't try. Arrange for myself, say, make I get the way me I sound on my own. I don't want to sound like anybody. Now, the reason why people, I still get some kind of friends where they say, when they won't listen to my song, they won't hear my voice because they feel, say, it sound like Juju, like Fuji, and like all these kind of things, you understand? So... All
right. So, quickly, because this is your current track now. What's the title again? Sisi. Now, one of the, for someone like me, it sweets me very, very much. Last time, me and Akuru Ruby talk about the whole thing. He can even post on top IG. I said, so. Because, boys, they feel the whole thing. So, we'll see the video quickly. By the time we come back, we'll come round up the remaining gist with Sexy still in the building. All right? So, most of the video, when they come back, no. If you just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.